Hello everyone, welcome to the class. We are discuss about the Hindu newspaper January 11 January 2025. So चलिए start करते हैं अपनी class. First topic is 2024 was the first year to breach global warming limit show data. ठीक है, 2024 was the first year to breach global warming limit show data. So the year 2024 was the hottest year on record and the first with a global average temperature 1.5 degree Celsius above pre-industrial levels. And European Climate Agency Copernicus confirmed on Friday. Every month from January to June 2024 was the warmest ever recorded for those months. And yes, 2024 was the first year to breach the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming limit. This was due to the planet's average annual temperature exceeding 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. So global temperature records, 5 independent data sets closely agree on the rate and extent of heating. UK Met Office red line is UK Met Office and USNOAA blue line. Okay, and orange color US and NASA NASA and ये बैंगनी कलर है बेरक्ले अर्थ एंड येलो कलर EU कोपरनिकस. ठीक है, 1850 का रिकॉर्ड है, ये 19,000 का है और ये 1950 का है और ये 2000 यहाँ तक एंड 2023. ठीक है, so explanation is the average temperature in 2024 was 1.6 degrees Celsius warmer than the pre-industrial level, and according to the European Union's climate change services Copernicus, and the average temperature is in 2024 was 0.12 degrees Celsius. ठीक है, 0.12 degrees Celsius higher than the previous record set in 2023. The average temperature in 2024 was 0.72 degrees Celsius warmer than the average temperature from 1991 to 2020. The atmospheric concentrations of carbon dioxide, methane reached record level in 2024. The breach of the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming limit is a major step towards the international target of limiting global warming. Okay, and however the target refers to a long-term average over decades. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बिकॉज इस टाइम पे आप देख रहे हो कि टेम्परेचर जो है ना हाई होता जा रहा है ना, तो इसलिए ये टॉपिक बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन गेव ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट टू वुमेन, ट्रीटेड दैम इक्वली. ठीक है, मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है फॉर यूपीएससी पर्सपेक्टिव से. ठीक है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन ऑन फ्राइडे said Indians need to look at the role played by women in different spheres of life through the Indian prism and not from the point of view imposed by the West. Okay, and the Indian civilization has always given due to respect women and always treated them equally, unlike what has been projected by the West and said at a book release event here. आज ये टॉपिक इसलिए है क्योंकि एक बुक रिलीज करी है. बुक्स नेम इज शक्ति. ओके, लॉन्चिंग ए बुक. Book's name is Shakti, Women, Gender and Society in India, Perspectives on Feminism. The FM elaborated on the role played by women in ancient India. ओके, एपिक्स लाइक महाभारता. एंशिएंट इंडिया में क्या रोल था वुमेन्स का एजुकेशन में, मतलब हम अभी देखते हैं, आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड इट लुक्स एट धर्मा टू बी परफॉर्म्ड एंड मैनी ए टाइम्स वुमेन हैव बीन थ्रो टू द forefront टू परफॉर्म दैट धर्मा. So लॉन्चिंग की बुक शक्ति, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको उसमें बताया, एक बुक लॉन्च की है जो शक्ति है, वुमेन, जेंडर एंड सोसाइटी इन इंडिया, perspectives on feminism. The minister elaborate the role played by women in ancient India, citing epics like Mahabharata, and if was required to use women's valor, it was accepted in our dharma. Dharma doesn't deny women's role. The empowered women of ancient India. The accomplishment of Gargi, Maitreyi, Sita, Drupadi, Alapa turns out to be the most ideal role for women of this era. Okay, इनको दो वुमेन्स के मतलब मैंने एक्सप्लेन कराया गया अच्छे से, यहाँ पे ओनली उनके नेम दे रखे हैं. And these women were competitive with men in many fields and also received that enjoyed their rights and equality. Okay, their rights and equality, there were no restrictions on them, and they possessed real wealth and property. So role of education. Access to education was limited for women during this period, but there were exceptions. Women from elite families might have received education in literature, music, and philosophy, though this was rare and usually limited to upper caste family. Okay, upper caste family. And next is legal rights. Scriptures and legal codes like Manusmriti and offer insight into a woman's property rights, right within marriage and inheritance. Manusmriti offer insight into a woman's property rights and right within marriage and inheritance. Legal rights थे, ठीक है. And gender roles. Gender roles were clearly defined, with men primarily responsible for providing for the family through activities such as hunting and farming or warfare, while women were accepted to manage household duties, raise children, and maintain domestic harmony. Okay, ये टॉपिक बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. And now the treatment of women in the Mahabharata reflects the complex interplay of culture, society, religious influences prevalent in ancient Indian civilization. While women are often subject to patriarchal oppressions and marginalization, the epic also celebrate their resilience and intelligence and moral agency. Through characters like Drupadi, Kunti, and Gandhari, the Mahabharata offers nuanced portrayals of femininity, highlighting the inherent contradiction and complexities of gender dynamic in ancient Indian society. The portrayal of women in the Mahabharata offer valuable lesson for contemporary society, and it prompts us to critically examine gender dynamics, challenge patriarchal norms, and strive for gender equality and empowerment. The epic serve as a reminder of the enduring relevance of women's stories and the need to recognize and celebrate their contribution to the society. सो सिग्निफिकेंट वुमेन कैरेक्टर्स इन महाभारता. मैंने दो वुमेन्स को लिया है यहाँ पे, दो के नाम लिए, ठीक है. अभी वो नाम मैंने ऊपर बताया थी, बट उनके बारे में दो वुमेन्स के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊंगी अभी. फर्स्ट इज शकुंतला, ठीक है. शकुंतला's story is celebrated for its themes of love, destiny, and enduring power of forgiveness. Her character embodies the virtue of purity, devotion, and reliance, serving as an inspiration for generation of audiences. Okay, and while her tale is not central to the main narrative of the Mahabharata, Shakuntala's timeless story continue to captivate hearts and minds, resonating with audience through its universal theme of love and redemption. Okay, and second is Gandhari. Gandhari, the wife of Dhritarashtra, and embodies loyalty and devotion despite her husband's moral shortcoming. Okay, and her voluntary blindness undertaken to share her husband's fate and underscores the sacrificial role often expected of women in maintaining families' harmony. She is depicted as a devoted wife, loving mother, and tragic figure whose life marked by sacrifices, sorrow, and uh, inexorable march of destiny. Her character embodies theme of loyalty, devotion, and complexities of family relationship, offering profound insight into the human experience and the moral dilemmas that shape our lives. ठीक है. And next is crew makes progress as death count touches 10 in Los Angeles wildfire. आपको पता है कैलिफोर्निया में, अमेरिका के कैलिफोर्निया में जो फॉरेस्ट फायर हो रखी है इस टाइम पे कंटिन्यू 3-4 डेज से, है ना, वो उससे कितना ज़्यादा लॉस हो गया है उसको, अमेरिका को. और अमेरिका के कैलिफोर्निया में ये थी बहुत ज़्यादा. सो इसको देखते हैं. देखो इतनी बुरी कंडीशन हो रखी है ना वहाँ पे. As wind abate, fire crew continue to battle the raging wildlife, devastating Los Angeles this week. In the West Hill section, the city on Thursday. The fires have so far killed 10 persons and destroyed nearly 10,000 structures. ठीक है. So now at least 10 people have died due to the fires, and the Los Angeles medical examiners office confirmed. Unfortunately, I think the death toll will rise. LA Sheriff Robert Luna said earlier this week. Okay, and at least 153,000 people have had to evacuate, and about 166,000 people 1,66,000 people are under evacuation warning as of Friday, according to Luna. And the total more than 35,000 acres have been decimated, with the Palisades and Eaton fires driving the destruction, according to California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, or CAL FIRE. An firefighting plan was grounded Thursday after colliding with a drone. The aircraft, which was dropping water on the Palisades fire, sustained a first size hole इन इट्स विंग. ओके, मतलब जो वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि एयरक्राफ्ट से ना, मतलब आग बुझाने के लिए वाटर, उसमें ऊपर से वाटर गिरा जा रहा है. ऑन फ्राइडे कैलिफोर्निया गवर्नमेंट गेविन Newsom ordered an investigation into the loss of water pressure to local fire hydrants and the reported shortage of water supplies from the Santa Ynez Reservoir. देखो ये यहाँ पे उसके बाद में है, और इधर देखो आपको दिख रही होगी सारी कंडीशन इतनी बेकार हो गई ना कैलिफोर्निया की, बहुत ज़्यादा. अमेरिका में बहुत बेकार कंडीशन हो रखी है फायर की वजह से. अब बहुत सारे हाउसेस मतलब बहुत सारे पीपल्स की डेथ हो गई है, बहुत सारे घर जल गए हैं. सो विथ thousands of people suddenly homeless. Okay, thousands of people suddenly homeless, and the thickening smoke leading US officials to declare a public health emergency. Firefighters reported progress arresting the Palisades fire and on the western edge of the city, and the Eaton fire in the foothills east of the sprawling metropolis. Okay, मतलब जो स्मोकिंग होती है ना उसकी वजह से हेल्थ में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गई है बहुत सारे पीपल्स की, एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल सडनली होमलेस हो गए हैं. And after burning out of control for days, despite the efforts of hundreds of firefighters attacking the blazes from the air and on the ground, the Palisades fire was 8% contained, and the Eaton fire 3%. CAL FIRE had listed contained level of both fires at 0% until Friday. Even so, the two big fires combined had consumed 35,000 acres, and 54 square meals to one one and a half times of land area of महानतान. ये आज के उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ये क्या है महानतान. सम 1,53,000 people remained under evacuation order and another 1,66,800 faced evacuation warnings with a curfew in place for all evacuation zone. ठीक है. लॉस एंजल्स कंट्री शरीफ रॉबर्ट लूना शेड. And even 7 neighboring states, the federal government and Canada have rushed aid to California, bolstering aerial team dropping water and fire retardant on the Flaming Hills and crews on the ground attacking fire lines with hand tools and hoses. And the loss हुआ है वो देखते losses so far. Local officials estimate the about 10,000 properties have been damaged or destroyed, and hundreds more will likely be discovered in the coming days. On Thursday, California Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara used his moratorium power to bar insurance companies from cancelling or not renewing the policies of homeowners affected by the Palisades and Eaton fires over the next year. Okay, losses उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है. 10,000 properties have been damaged हो चुकी है, destroy हो चुकी है. ठीक है. 100 more will likely be discovered in the coming days. Next is NATO members reluctant to endorse Trump's defense spending proposal. Okay, the US president-elect said members of the military alliance should spend 5% of gross domestic product on defense. Okay, GDP, and a huge increase from the current 2% goal, and a level that no NATO country currently reaches. A new target is likely to be agreed at a NATO summit in the Hague in June. NATO won't heed Donald Trump proposal for a massive hike in defense spending, but will likely agree to go beyond its current target, according to official and analysts. The US president-elect declared on Tuesday members of the military alliance should spend 5% gross domestic product, I mean GDP, on defense, a huge increase from current 2% goal, and a level that no NATO country, include the United States, currently reaches. And that also generated a blizzard or headline on Greenland, Canada and Panama. Okay, Greenland, Canada and Panama headline में. So you know what is NATO, and NATO में कितनी कंट्री है, कितनी कंट्री इसमें है, कब ये फाउंड की गई थी, एंड कितनी कंट्री है, नेटो क्या होता है. सो चलिए देखते हैं नेटो क्या होता है. नेटो जब स्टार्ट हुआ था, फाउंड की गया था, तो 12 कंट्री उसमें थी. ठीक है, उस टाइम पे उसमें 12 कंट्री से वो स्टार्ट हुआ था. एंड नाउ आफ्टर 2024 24 कंट्रीज, सॉरी 32 कंट्री हैं. ओके, 32 कंट्री हैं इस टाइम पे, प्रेजेंट में 32 कंट्री है. लाइक अल्बेनिया 2009 में, एंड बेल्जियम इन 1949, बुल्गारिया 2004, कनाडा 1949, क्रोएटिया 2009, एंड क्रोएशिया 1999, एंड डेनमार्क in 1949, Estonia 2004, Finland 2023, France है 1949, and Germany in 1955, Greece 1952, Hungary in 1999, Iceland in 1949, Italy 1949, and Latvia 2004, Lithuania 2004, and Luxembourg 1949, Montenegro 2017, Netherlands 1949, and North Macedonia in 2020, Norway in 1949, Poland in 1999, and Portugal is in 1949, and Turkey 1952, Sweden 2024. ये last country I think. Okay, and Spain in 1982, Slovenia 2004, Slovakia 2004, Romania 2004, and United Kingdom is also in 1949, and United States also 1949. All 32 कंट्रीज ओके, ये हैं हमारे नाटो में. ओके, नाटो की जो कंट्री हैं 32 कंट्री हैं इस टाइम पे, और जब वो स्टार्ट हुआ था वो 12 कंट्रीज से स्टार्ट हुआ था. 2024 तक, अभी तक आई मीन 32 कंट्रीज शामिल हैं नाटो में. सो व्हाट इज नाटो? नाटो स्टैंड फॉर नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रेटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रेटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. It's a military alliance between countries in Europe, North America that was established in 1949. The goal of NATO is to protect the security and freedom of its member countries. Okay, goal of NATO is to protect the security and freedom of its member countries. Main point is India is not a member of NATO. Okay, India is not a member of NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, I mean NATO, is a political military alliance established in 1949 with the aim of providing collective defenses against potential threats to member countries. And next is, as of January 2025, 32 countries are member of the North Atlantic Treaty organization. The member countries are from Europe and North America. सो देखो, ये नेटो सारे जो देश हैं 32 कंट्रीज के फ्लैग्स. ओके, एंड द नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रेटी pompously celebrated the anniversary of its establishment on April 4, 75 years ago. Okay, April 4, 75 years ago. On this day in 1949, Western nations gathered in Washington, है ना, DC, to commit their nations to one another defense, and with the scare of the Second World War still raw and new threats looming, they pledged to safeguard the freedom of their peoples, and key areas of focus on for NATO's 75th anniversary are recommitting the alliance's core value of democracy and freedom and rule of law, addressing evolving security challenges like Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and charting the course for NATO's future adaptation. And the North Atlantic, I mean NATO, is an intergovernmental military alliance formed in 1949. It was established